So let's see. I try to remove this. Okay. As you see, this is out, this is out, and these two things is out. Put it over here. This should be out too. Okay. And I had to clean up here. And let me look for a napkin. It's kind of greasy. I think this is it. We need a new bearing. I think this has a bearing to make sure to check the doubles the other side. Let me look at it. As you see, this side has the cover. This cover was here, so it's very nice and clean. No dirt, no dust. Yep, let's go back again. Come on. Okay, this is out. These two things out. Oh, there's one more thing. Okay, as you guys see, I think this just something in it here. So I should buy the tire with the rim, I think. As you see, this has with the rim. Where is the other tire? This, maybe I should remove this bushings. I don't know. I had to figure out. Maybe I should buy the rim with the tire. Anyway, this tire was keep losing air also. Let me look what I can do. Thank you for watching.